European forests are indispensable for our future. They act as significant carbon sinks, absorbing CO2 from the atmosphere, and they provide habitats for diverse species, thereby supporting biodiversity. Forests supply us with renewable resources, contribute to rural development, and offer recreational spaces. In other words, forests play a crucial role in carbon sequestration, biodiversity conservation, and the production of sustainable materials. The European Union's commitment to reducing greenhouse gas emissions by 55% by 2030 and net zero by 2050 therefore places forests at the forefront of climate mitigation strategy. The PathFinder project develops a prototype of a European forest monitoring system to determine forest management pathways, which meet these and other ambitious targets with a minimum of trade-offs. Designed as a continuous and permanent framework, the monitoring system will allow us to navigate the pathways in the future, which will enable us to change policies in the case we are about to lose track. A governance structure describes which actors need to collaborate in what way to ensure the monitoring system to be efficient. Therefore, the governance structure is an important part of the monitoring system. The proposed governance structure for a European forest monitoring system adopts a stepwise, bottom-up approach, leveraging existing national-level data collection efforts and standardizing information at the European level. To meet this goal, PathFinder proposes 9 key points. 1. The European Commission oversees the overall coordination of the forest monitoring system. 2. The European Forest Monitoring System's goals and protocols are defined collaboratively by the European Commission, Member States, the European National Forest Inventory Network or ENFIN, and ICP Forests, ICPF. We envision the overall goal of the system to be informing European policymaking, while ENFIN and ICPF will be facilitating data sharing and analysis. The European Commission and European Environment Agency disseminate forest insights via the Forest Information System for Europe (FISE). 3. The monitoring system will be funded jointly by the EU and Member States, with the EU covering central coordination costs and Member States handling national data collection, supported by additional EU funds for new systems. 4. Member States collect harmonised forest data through existing national forest inventories, ICPF monitoring networks, and remote sensing, coordinated by national correspondents to ensure compliance and seamless communication with the EU. 5. Data stored in national systems using the Enfiesta software standard is shared with ENFIN and ICPF, enabling integration with remote sensing data to produce pan-European forest insights. 6. Both ENFIN and ICPF coordinate the exchange of raw field data with external organizations, including the JRC, to support scientific applications. 7. Data privacy and security are prioritized, with anonymized data based on the relative country's policies, tiered access rights, and public access limited to aggregated, non-sensitive information. 8. Future forest projections will be harmonized across Member States, supporting scenario and pathway analyses for policy insights. 9. Quality assurance and control are embedded throughout the system, with stakeholder feedback ensuring continuous improvement and adaptation. The process of implementing the proposed governance structure has commenced for the Member States within the PathFinder and other research projects. Stakeholders have identified areas for improvement, including better integration with existing systems, clarification of data ownership, and expansion of monitoring indicators to cover ecosystem health, biodiversity, and social impacts. This involves refining protocols for harmonized data collection, demonstrating the common mapping and estimation platform through the publication of high-resolution forest attribute maps for common reporting and training national experts. The recent establishment of the ENFIN Association as a legal entity marked another step in strengthening national collaboration to support the European forest monitoring system. One of the next steps should be the establishment of a central coordination unit within the European Commission, along with links to the ENFIN and ICPF expert groups. This should be followed by full implementation across all member states, accompanied by ongoing evaluation and adjustment. You can read the full policy brief on our website, available in the description below, and do not forget to follow us on our socials for more information.